Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of a microphone not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select sound. Scroll down and make sure that you're connected to the right microphone. Usually the C media one is the laptop's own microphone and the other one would be the condenser microphone. Then click on this forward pointing arrow, and as you speak just see whether this bar raises or not, or even better just click on start to check the sound test, and then click on stop and see the sound test results. Post this, you can go to privacy and search and then scroll down to microphone and click on it. Make sure this switch is on, and then you can turn on other switches as well for the specific applications. Last, you can search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs and update the microphone drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.